who doesn't want to earn enough to spend a luxurious life, living in a mansion, driving an expensive, beautiful car, have a gigantic bathroom with accessories imported from countries around the globe, fly around the world, and experience different cultures, own a deluxe beach house by the beautiful shore with blue water on a peaceful island? If your answer to these questions is yes, or maybe you want some urgent money to carry out a task to send your child to his or her university, or just to get rich, then this is the perfect video for you. Today we're going to share 10 assets that are actually making people rich. Before you start, just know one thing. An asset is anything that puts money in your pocket. Period. 10. Use the banks. One of the easiest ways to keep that money flowing into your pockets is by making sure you're using banks the way they should be used. Just deposit your cash into a trusted bank and enjoy the interest you get from them. It won't be a lot, but that depends on the amount of money you deposit. And the plus point is that the money keeps coming without any work. This way you will not only be able to save cash, but would have add-ons when you need the cash to invest on something. You'll have it right away. Another advantage of saving cash is that you can always get higher returns from cash deals. For example, the currency you have could be bought at a higher rate from someone who needs it from another country, or you could simply lend it at a higher interest. There's always another option. 9. Buy bonds. Another very safe way of earning passive income, bonds are very popular income-producing assets that have always been used by many people since a very long time. So, how does this work? Well, all you have to do is buy the bond and relax. A bond is just lending your money to the government and getting your money plus interest in return. With a bond, you don't have to bother about when to sell or buy the asset or monitor all the time because it is in such safe hands. One con of this type of investment is that the interest is fairly low, but mostly because it is a very safe option. Bonds are considered to be a good idea if you're not very flexible about taking risks and can't tolerate losing money. If you need your money urgently for something specific, for tasks such as paying for college or buying a new car, or if you're going to retire soon, then bonds is the right thing to do. It is a great way of saving up extra money before investing into some business. Just play your cards right. 8. Rent a property. A very easy and promising method of getting constant passive income. If you have a house that you don't use anymore, or a studio apartment that has been left alone for a long time, or even just an extra room, then this will serve the purpose. Earning enough money from properties is a very popular and rewarding method of earning money, and many rich people just sit at home and get millions from apartments or houses they've left for rental purposes. If you renovate the house a bit or add some accessories, then the price of rent is very likely to rise 2 to 3 times of the original rent. Get innovative and earn more money. 7. Use your voice. If you have a very melodious voice or you can imitate the voice of cartoon characters, the use of a recorder and record something, one of the easiest ways of earning good money is by selling your voice on the radio or TV. If you can say things fluently and in various ways, just send a recording to the radio industry, and if it gets chosen, then get paid every single time it's played on the air. Cool, right? Yes, this means that those commercials you hear on radio or voices you hear at the ads that play on TV, they get paid every single time we hear it. Better the voice, higher the price. Who knew you could be a walking, breathing asset? 6. Build a website. When it comes to making money, sky is the limit, and all you can do is fly high. With a boost in technology and internet being the biggest platform you could get, building a website is just equivalent to buying a property. If your website clicks and gets attention, then you can earn millions in just as little as a year. However, with the saturation in the market, it is important that your online property is unique and very attractive to make it stand out. There are limitless options online. You can generate a blog and get money for referrals, or build a website to sell. 5. Use your talent. A lot of people have greatly unique talents, and it is just about how you utilize those talents to get some money rolling into your pockets. An example is writing an ebook. If you're good at writing, have a great style that attracts people, but can't find a publisher, then just grab your laptop and start typing whatever comes to your mind and upload it online. If not writing, then maybe you could make some really cool handicrafts to decorate the room or personalized embroidered shirts if you're good at that. The point is, you have to be creative and know how to put your talent to use. Once it is discovered, you'll get money every time your ebook is downloaded or your work is used in some other place. Who knew a talent could be such a key asset? 4. Mutual and index funds. This is another great opportunity to increase the amount of money you already have. So how does it work? Well, not a very difficult thing. All you have to do is invest in shares in multiple companies, and this index fund helps you do that at the same time. Once you have chosen a mutual fund to invest in, a professional fund manager would manage it on your behalf. The manager would work on everything, choosing the type of investments, like stocks, bonds, or anything else, deciding how much money would be invested in each company, and whether to change it up when things go bad. You don't really have to do anything, just leave it on the manager, which means it's a pretty easy passive investment. You can always buy mutual funds yourself with a brokerage account, or visit a bank nearby and get some information from an investment specialist. 3. Buy stocks. You must be wondering why we haven't touched this topic yet. Well, we are. One of the most popular and promising yet risky method of getting rich. It is just like the game of chess. Use your brain right, and you'll be rich in no time. But one wrong move, or in this case, bad luck, and you're at a loss. So, what you do is basically invest in shares of a company that appears to be or has the potential to be successful. You can buy as many shares as you wish, which means you will own a piece of profit the companies earn because of their shares. If the company earns profit, then value of your share goes up, and you can sell it at a higher price and earn money. Now, this is not a fixed means of money because you only earn when you sell the share, and there is a risk if the company ends up having a major loss, since the value of your shares will drop. Thus, you will be at a loss. So, the smartest thing to do will be sell the shares as soon as the company makes a good profit. A lot of people have earned fortunes from stocks, and who knows, you might be next. 2. Build an app. With advancements in technology, there is a high demand for cool apps that can serve several purposes. And if you're tech savvy, then this is just the thing for you. All you have to do is make a unique app that has potential to attract a lot of people and sell it on an app store like Google Play. With every download, you'll get an amount of money. And if your app hits the top 10 or 3, then get ready to earn just enough money to swim into and enjoy the luxuries. The best part is that you don't need to buy any expertise to build an app, just some unique ideas and IT skills. 1. Turn old into gold. One of the most increasingly popular methods of earning money and getting richer is by turning old into gold. Antiques are highly treasured, especially today when people want to give their homes or rooms a touch of aesthetic royalty. The trick is to invest in the right thing and making that a valuable piece that everyone wants. Thrift stores often tend to have such beautiful pieces that people ignore because they normally underestimate such places. But gold is often found in dirt. Just go out and keep your eyes open for anything that might attract audience, even if it is in bad shape. For example, if you spot a jewelry box that might give a touch of Victoria era, just pick it up and bring it home, polish it a little, or make small amendments and post a beautiful picture online. Voila! You can sell it for 7 to 10 times the price you actually bought it for. Obviously, the price depends on the size and type of product, but it is assured that you can earn a good deal of money from this. People have managed to earn millions from this work. Why not you? So, how many of you have already started working on buying your own assets? Getting rich is no rocket science. You just need to know where to invest and when to invest, because that's the entire game. With the right use of mind, one can do anything and everything, be that buying assets or working on any other field of life. Did you find this video helpful? If yes, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Before you go, don't hesitate to hit the blue icon to stay updated with all our recent videos. Thank you.